Hello guys, welcome to another monthly catch up, season 2, episodes 28. But I'm mistaken, is it 28 or is it either 28, 27 or maybe 29? But you're going to see it here when editing. I have to cross check because right now I'm kind of confused to know which episode we are filming. So guys, we have a lot of updates to give you guys based on what we've been doing at the workshop. I made some cap a few days ago. I didn't get to film, but I think I make a short video on it and snap it, so I'm going to include it here. And you guys are going to watch me and I'll show you some cap I'm making. We have a faulty machine. I talk about it. Then we also need to make a dog bag, which we were cutting here, then taking it to the main HQ to work on. So that is one of the updates so far. I just say let me update you guys so that you'll be aware of what we've been up to. I always promise to update you. That's just it so far. For those of you who are new to the channel, you should use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. If you have any idea or you have any question, leave it there. If you want to learn for the online bag making it's still available, you can click the link in the description to go to the store where you can apply for it, or you can click my WhatsApp will also be in the description. You can click the WhatsApp to chat with me to ask more questions or if you have any further inquiry. So guys, don't let me take your time by talking too much. Watch this video and learn a lot or anything from it. See you at the destination. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. So I went shopping for some bag making, some duffle bag. We got some size 7 stock zip, some high quality adjuster, high quality zip as well. This caterpillar. We got some snap lock, some designer accessories, but this is going to the main branch, the HQ, and this is the material we buy for the duffel bag. I also bought some rope. As you guys can see, this is a high quality rope. I also bought black, but all this one will be at this branch, and I think I also bought some thread and lining. So the bag I'm about to make now, I just finished sketching it. I just finished getting the bag, so I will be cutting it, but it's late now. It's just for me to cut, and I think I'll be making it at the other workshop. So that is the update so far. One of the updates is as well, we've been making a lot of progress. I'm making some cap, but this machine just developed an issue. The foot here, the feed dog, has an issue. I think the screw that is holding it down losing out, so it's not balanced again. And for me to lose it, I discovered that this place, because there was a time I abandoned this machine for like 4 to 5 years before I came to this place and I started using it back. And I discovered that I was unable to use this, so I'll be calling the technician tomorrow to fix it, or I'll be taking it to them, whichever way it goes, because calling them here, they might take time to come and I have to finish those things, and I have some more cap to do. So this cap is 4 actually, this is 2 and this is another 2, and I think once we fix this machine within the week, we'll be adding more to it. I think what we'll be adding to it is about 6. So I will keep you guys updated. You guys are going to see what we'll be making, and that's just all for now. Right now, I will be cutting these fabrics. Once I cut it, I will be leaving this place. So any other time, you guys will see me continue it's a monthly capture. So keep you guys updated. So good morning guys, and welcome back to the continuation of the monthly catch up. So today as the HQ, I want to continue with the project I showed you earlier that I will be making. So I'm here now. I've started already. I just remember that. Let me update you guys, show you the process. So let me turn the camera now and just show you. I'll proceed with the rest of the. So here we are with the project. Yesterday after I finished cutting, I did not remember to show you, or it was too late. I just said, okay, no, when I get here I'm going to show you today. So this is what we're making, and here we have the gusset here, the first gusset. The second gusset is also here. As you can see, this is the second gusset. This is the bottom. This is one side. This is another side. This is the handle strap, and that is the long strap there, which will be combined with this and the second adjuster. And I have the zip here. Actually, I even have an issue yesterday from the accessory I bought yesterday. I don't know if I show you guys everything, but if I rewatch the clips, I should understand. This particular zip I bought was size 7. When I want to fix it, I discovered that the zip cloth they sold to me at the store yesterday was size 6. So hopefully, thank God that I brought it here, and I have spare. I have a lot of zip here, different kind of zip from a few years ago. So I was able to get size 6 zip to fit this, and as you can see, it's fitting right well. But initially, the one I show you, if I fix it, it will enter, but once you close, it will open, which means that is size 7 zip head, and this zip close is actually size 6. So I have to go back to go complain today to those people, so I can get at least maybe a reduction, or maybe they can change the zip cloth to size 7 for me. So that's the update so far. Right now I'm going to continue with the rest of the work. After I finish fixing all this handle, then I will join them, then start cutting the lining before I will join, and I will come back to show you guys the update before I assemble the bag. So stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. As you guys can see, the bag I showed you a few days ago, we are done with it, and it's looking gorgeous, looking nice, beautiful. All the inside is lined perfectly. It has a long strap, but it's not detachable. I wish I was able to show you the make. Okay, no, I did not show you intentionally, because there is a video for the making. You will see it definitely. So I don't know, maybe I will upload the video before this monthly catch up, or maybe after. So that is the inside. But I think I fixed a pocket to this side. As you can see, the thread you are seeing there, the thread I used. So in the pocket I did not use black, so it has an inside pockets. The bag is just nice. One of the bag will be coming soon to pick it up. So that's just the update so far. Yeah. So when we get to the other workshop, I will be keeping you guys updated. The accessories I show you that I will be bringing here, I've put them to their place. So I keep them here before, but I didn't get to show you before I arrange everything, and I've tidied up everywhere. So see you at the continuation. I will see you at the other workshop. But today, there is a lot I will be doing today. I will be taking the machine for service, just like I said earlier a few days ago. The one machine here is having 40, and the other one at the workshop there. So I will pack the two and take them to the technician so they can check and fix them. Yeah, that's just one of the updates. But if I'm able to show you guys just fixing there, I will. If I can't, then you guys just take it the way the monthly catch-up comes. See you guys later. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. I'm at the studio now, but it's already late. This is almost 11. I said I'm going to update you guys on what we're doing. We've we've been working, actually we make all this cap, this one, and they've left with few of it that I didn't get to show, but we still have few here. But when I turn the camera I will show you. But right now there's something I need to make. I'm making a small pouch for a power bank, so that is what I'm working on now. But this month is not going to be too long. The catch up is just going to be few because I will be traveling and I don't know how things is going to go. I actually go fix the machine and I say I'm going to update you guys. I did not remember again. And everything that happened. That's my problem. It's not as if maybe I promise and fail, but sometimes when I promise you guys something, when I get there, I didn't even remember that to make those things again, to make the content and show you what's really happening. And it was interesting because the machine, the boat, the knot there, we were unable to lose it, the boat. So we have to take it to the weather. They have to, because when they try it, I tried a few days ago. They got damaged. I fix it, but when I take it to the technician, they damage it the more. So they were unable to fix it, not until we get it to the weather, and the weather has to wed some knots to it, then try to lose it, and that was how we were able to do that. The other machine I even service is here, one from the HQ, and I will not be returning it until I came back from where I will be going, because it's late this night. I can't carry this kind of bag. People would think it's something that is there, so we'll leave it here for the meantime. So let me turn the camera and show you a little bit of what we have done so far, what I was talking about on the machine. See you guys at the continuation. So guys, this is the cap I've talked about, the one we make. Some they've left with some, and this one is here, this one is here, this one is here. I'm about to package it and someone is buying that too. So this is the pouch I see I'm making for a power bank. I'm preparing it now. I have to do it down so the owner can collect it as soon as they can, because this is the power bank, this is the front, and this is the side. So this is it. That's the power bank. These are the accessories I'll be using for it, like for the handle and for the closure. The machine I was talking about, as you guys can see, if you look at this place, it looks as if they file it. So the nuts, I was unable to remove it and they spoiled it, so they have to wed the nuts and use a big nut to wed the bolt that is there before and try to use it. So that's what we did. That is the second machine, the one from the HQ. It's inside this bag. So that's just the update so far. Let me continue with this one. Let me see if I can finish it. I will come back to give you guys update and show you. But hopefully I should be able to finish it before I leave. So guys, this is the power bank pouch I am doing the other time. I did not finish it. I just want to finish it today. So this one I cut initially is not enough, so I've make this is the big USB ports. I think a type C and maybe type B port. So I will be using this one now to finish up the cover and insert the magnet snap. But before I do that, I actually was cutting a side gusset. I was cutting the gusset for this traveling bag I will be making, or you will see this in 2 months after this, because it's a project I'm going to just keep. I initially want to cut that particular small piece there, that one. That's the reason why I cut this one out of here, so I can make use of that side there. So you'll be seeing this in after 2 months. After this month there will be another month, then in the following month, that's when you'll be able to see this. So let me finish up this and show you how it looks. Shit guys, I just make a huge mistake now. The power bank pouch I was making, the owner just came to collect it now, and I didn't even remember that I'm going to show you guys or even take a picture. I just give it to him. So guys, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. And that's why I delayed finishing this video. I was supposed to edit this video 3 days ago, but because I want to show you guys, that's why I delayed. And now you see, I just finished it. I just finished punching all the edges and everything. I just finished it. I've not even finished packing the tools I use. So guys, I'm really sorry. Probably we'll see next month. I don't know what I will show you again, but thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here, and I will see you at the next month's monthly catch up.